Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
It's a review time of ah, p, ah, p, monkey, nest, ostrich, p, parrot. Let's find these objects in the story. It's a review story time.
A boy and a girl went to the zoo. The boy was amazed when he saw a nest in the parrot's cage near the ostrich. The girl was excited to see the monkey eating bananas, and they both enjoyed their time at the zoo. Visiting the zoo expands knowledge.
See you in the next lesson.